Hey, what's going on, guys? So, it's going to do a video here. This will be a video series. Picked up something for the summer. Even though we're starting to go into fall time, it's almost October. I've always wanted one of these little Seadoo Sea Scooters. Pull the trigger. There's a propeller that's inside there. I don't know how well you'll see it. Oh, there you go. And you pull the trigger and you zoom through the water and wee, fun kind of stuff, right? So, bought this at a garage sale for 20 bucks. Guy didn't know the condition of it. He said that it worked. He went in to go buy a battery for it. And then decided not to buy the battery, or I don't know, something like that. So, kind of, that part of it doesn't really make sense, but you know, to each their own. Maybe it is about to go into winter time, and he was thinking, well, we'll get batteries come springtime, and they never got around to it or something like that. Well, so this one here, I kind of tested it out. I think it'll be fairly easy. Whenever I put power to it, just this propeller would spin without pulling the little trigger. So one of these triggers might be bad, or something like that. So they're also really badly sun faded, and I keep making this plural. Well, that's because it is plural. I didn't just get one. I bought 4 of them for 20 bucks each. So for $80, I got all 4 of these. Like I said, I tested this one out. This one stays on all the time. This one here sounds like bearings might be going. And one of these, I don't remember which one, might be this one. It didn't do anything at all. So I tried to put power to it and nothing happened. And then this other one, I think it was bearing sounding-ish too. Again, like you can tell, everything is very badly sun faded. Some of these had the little battery cover tray off, and it got water inside and stuff like that. So I may not be able to revive any of these, but I might be able to use pieces and parts from one to another to at least make one good one. I'd like to have at least 2, you know, for the boys. But yeah, hang tight, we'll get into this. And one more thing real quick, if you don't know about these little sea scooters, they retail for about $600 each, like back in the day. I think back in the day whenever they were new. Now I think you can buy them for about $350 each. So well, we'll see what we can do with these. Alright, so here we go. So the way this top comes off, you're just gonna pull that. And push that down. Comes off. So again, you can kind of see how dirty this is. Look down inside. Yep, that's pretty dirty. I guess we'll talk about batteries first. This was one of the original batteries that came with it. As you can see, broke off. That's the end that we need. So we can finish breaking this off. So now I have a battery here. This actually was in one of those electric scooters that y'all never did see the video because I blew up the brain box or whatever you want to call it. I forget what you call it. But anyways, I blew that up, so fortunately y'all never did have to see that. But But I did already have two brand new batteries for it. And as you can see with this, like, it's pretty much the exact same size and everything. Even the same size on the terminal. So there's 12 volt, 34 watt per cell, high rate. Should say an amp hour. I don't show the amp hour on that one, but this one is 12 volt, but it's a non-amp hour battery. So this is basically saying the same thing. It's a non-amp hour battery. So cool. So at least we're not going down in power. Let's go ahead and crimp an end on this, and then we'll see what we can do about cleaning these ends up, because it's pretty tarnished. So actually, I'll get right back with you on this, because this will probably take a little bit with a brush and all that. So yeah, I'll get back with you. Alright, so I got it in here. Hooked up pretty good. Now whenever I plug this in, so I think we need to take this apart and look at these switches. Alright, so I have you guys way up in the air, because this is almost 6 foot tall. It's probably 5 foot tall right now. Alright. Something fell. Probably just a washer. Not really sure how the triggers. For kicks and giggles, let's see if it still turns on. I don't know how well you can see that down in there, but it's pretty gross. So I'm going to get the air hose. See if I can blow some of that junk out. Maybe that's part of the reason. Maybe not. I don't know. Got two magnets. Just going to put one on this side. So, I guess that's how that works. Alright, cool. So now it's turning on and off. So I don't know, whatever was in there, maybe we just got it unstuck. And we'll put this thing back together. So I guess it's noisy as all get out, but I guess it works. So one down. We'll finish blowing all that junk out of it.